Morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Sorry for the delay. I was booking a flight, so I apologize about that. Beyond Meat dropping like crazy this morning. BYND. NIO on the drop. NIO. NIO. Main focus NIO right now. NIO. 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 Micro bounce 1 minute time frame. NIO. NIO. Dragonfly Doji on the 1. Printing a bear flag formation on the 1 minute time frame on NIO. Watching the low of these candles right here in the 1 minute, $4.31 NIO. $4.31 NIO. ADAP on watch for those of you that are looking for a long trade. ADAP. ADAP. Take my shoes off. NVAX on the drop as well. NVAX. 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 Space SPCE. SPCE dropping as well. $18.13. SPCE. $18.13. We're watching the view app for the resistance on NIO. Beyond Meat dropping fast. Beyond Meat. Let's just see. Where can I put Beyond Meat so you guys can see it? ADAP is not looking too interesting. I got drill here. We're gonna take out INNT. Beyond Meat on the drop. Very fast drop. Coming down hard. Beyond Meat. Watching in BAX. NIO. Hitting that view app. NIO. Hitting the view app. Prior low, NIO, $4.38. 438. 438. That 1 minute flag, $4.38. Hitting resistance around the VWAP, $4.38 NIO. Big seller, 13,000 share seller on the NIO, 442. 10,000 share seller, 442, 443. Big wall of sellers at 444. Hitting that VWAP. VWAP sitting at 444. 1 minute flag. VWAP sitting at 444. Big wall of sellers, 444. Good morning, Sean. Sellers got taken out around the VWAP. VWAP is still being resistance on NIO. People hitting that bid, 30,000 share sellers. People hitting that bid at 438. Coming down quick. Coming down very fast. Low was 438. Watching 438. That 1 minute flag on NIO, 438. When you see ODX space CMRE CERS EVOK, drill coming back right back up. TRIL coming right back up. 5 minute bounce here. Probably gonna find resistance at the prior high. Roll it right back down. Give it an NIO right now. NIO, NIO, NIO. NIO, a lot of people hitting that bid 439. $100,000 share seller, 439. 100,000 share seller, 439. An NIO. Finding huge resistance on NIO here. And there's a huge size going through. Big size going through on NIO. AMVAX and VAX ramping up, reversal, hitting the $8 mark right now, and VAX. Something I didn't expect to see there, and VAX. Alright, so NIO setting up. Big size still going through. This huge size already on NIO today. Almost 23 million shares traded today on NIO. Huge size going through. We have a fishhook formation on GMPX. Fishhook formation on GMPX. This one is probably going to roll over in the next minute. GMPX. Fishhook formation is probably going to roll over in the next minute. NIO still hitting that resistance. There's big size going through still. NIO. Got GMPX coming right back up to the view app. Notice that there was a big fight Struggling to get it back right back down. Struggling to get right back down on IO. Let's take a look at TWMC. Okay, we have a bull flag formation on the 5-minute time frame. Bull flag formation, 5-minute time frame. In this pattern right here, TWMC. Watching 5, 924, 924, 924 formation. Watching that area there. Not throwing any punches. I know there is about 35 cents right now to get all the way to $9 mark. Here's the thing that I don't like on a 1-minute time frame there. It was that long wick on that 1-minute candle by the end of that formation. So although it's a decent move there, 30 some cents, I really think that it could be a possibility that this thing can roll over and just screw up a little bit of that bull flag formation. It could break down and come under the VWAP. There you go. And VWAP sitting at $7.65. So this one is has a little bit of a spread. A little bit of a spread there. For you guys on the stream, I greatly appreciate if you like the information, of course. Please give it a like. That way YouTube can actually treat me well. That algorithm picks up that at least people like what I'm putting out. And so that way the algorithm on YouTube treats me well. Watching some other stocks here. And IO came right back up the View app. I was expecting to see that. CODX moving higher. I'm really not expecting to see CODX get, you know, all the way up to the View app. I think we're gonna print probably 2 candles on the 5 minutes, 2 green candles, and we probably gonna roll over right back down. CMRE on the drop. CMRE. CMRE. TWMC is just flagging a little bit of consolidation going sideways. Let's see if we can set up for a secondary move and the next leg up. NIO 450, CMCE. On top of the View app, but I think we're gonna find some resistance around the 50 simple moving average. I think TWMC might come down to the View app. Possible reversal here. This consolidation shows me that the volume is actually decreasing, so I don't know. I really, as of right now, I'm doubting that we're gonna set up for a follow-through move to the upside. GMPX just finished that fish hook formation, and it's coming down now for that reversal. This is what usually happens on a fish hook formation. You have that steep kind of cascade drop with a little bit of consolidation and then a quick pop for at least maybe 1, 2, or 3 candles. For the most part, not 1 candle, but at least 2 or 3 candles. And then you have a reversal right after that. So the fish hook formation on GMPX, it's working out okay on a 5-minute time frame. I appreciate you guys hitting that like button. Thank you for those of you that have done it. And IO having that some sort of reversal now. And IO, we can see here this thing is just going sideways. I think we're setting up to come down to the View app, possibly test other 50 simple moving average. It doesn't really look like right now we're gonna just have some consolidation to go to the upside. I'm actually expecting this thing to get under the View app and test the 50 simple moving average, which is sitting at $6.75 right now. 6.75 in the 1 minute. It's coming down now. Coming down. Testing that 50 simple moving average. Now running down. There you go. Test of the 50 simple moving average. Micro bounce in 1 minute. Expecting it to see it come right back down again. It was a nice drop. TWMC. It was a nice drop, as we were discussing like a minute ago. And at some point right at the beginning, on the 5-minute time frame, I thought that we were setting up for a bull flag formation. But then the pattern just kind of held on, and that consolidation made me believe that instead of a breakout, we're going to have a breakdown. And there's a bouncing here around the 50, getting a little bit of consolidation, people taking profits on this drop here. And there will be a follow-through move. I could be mistaken, but I am expecting a follow-through move here to the downside. And a possible test of the 100 simple moving average in the 1 minute, sitting at $4.84. Expecting this one to come down at least to 550. Shooting star formation on the 1 minute time frame. Shooting star on the 1 minute time frame on TWMC. TWMC. Printing a bear flag formation on the 1 minute time frame around the 50 simple moving average. Shooting star formation. No problem, Sean. Thank you. Enjoy your day. Have a good workout. Enjoy your workout. I gotta head to the gym myself in a little while. I got a couple of things to do. So I'll be on the stream for around 11 o'clock. Then I had to head over to Brooklyn. I gotta go get something. And then I want to head to the gym a little bit later when I come back home. All right, some follow-through move here. So I'm expecting a follow-through move. Setting up 50 simple moving average being resistance on the 1 minute time frame here. Expecting this consolidation to not hold and just drop for a follow-through move to the downside. Okay, so nice consolidation around here. Expecting to drop a little bit more. For those of you guys that are interested in getting a free laptop, pretty much alongside a trading course, if you wanna take advantage, if you really think that you need a little bit more information and to learn the ropes, I am going to put out a course in February. Everything that I have learned, you know, I'm gonna try to put everything there. I started trading on 2012. It's gonna be over $799 course and value for $299 early bird pricing. For those of you that are interested, you can let me know so I can send you a link through PayPal. So as of right now, the website doesn't have any type of kind of payment methods or nothing like that. So the website, it's free content, so I'm not putting, you know, I don't have any payment methods on the website, nothing like that. So if you guys are interested on spending some time with me for the first 10, I'm going to offer 1 hour one-on-one for the first 20 people. Have a chance to get a free laptop computer. And it's going to be a Lenovo laptop. Those are the computers that I use for my personal use on trading. They're very powerful, very fast, and I do recommend them. And so for the first 20 people, I'm going to raffle. I'm going to give a giveaway of 2 Lenovo laptops. And for the first 10 people, 1 hour one-on-one with me to guide you and answer any question. As well as in the next couple of days, we're going to do a private group on the website, and I'm going to be teaching classes for those of you that are interested on taking classes to take your trading to the next level. And that's if you believe that you need the help and you want to, take your trading to the next level. Again, for those of you, the chances are you're going to get a free computer anyway. If you guys are interested, just let me know. You can send me a DM through Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, as well as you can also write me an email at contact@tradingscolony.com, and I will send you a link for the payment processing through PayPal. Alright, so this consolidation is taking a little longer than I expected, but I think that we're gonna be setting up here for the next leg down. Next leg down. Watching the low of this doji, $6.67. Coming down. Next leg down there. Alright, so I'm expecting a little bit of support around 650 for a couple of seconds, and then a drop under 650. There you go, hitting that 449. There you go. That's a drop that I was hoping for. Alright. Possible test of the 100 simple moving average though. Micro bounce on the 1 minute. Watching the low of the prior candle. $6.08. $6.08. Coming down some more. 608 prior low. 608 prior low. See if we can take that. If we can take it down. Gonna hit the $6 mark. Probably find a little support around there and then drop some more. Right now we got the 519. 519 sitting on the 100 simple moving average. 519. This one's setting up here. Possible both bear flag on a 1 minute time frame. Bear flag on 1 minute time frame. Thanks, Ron. Yeah, I mean, I had an idea. I had an idea of what the price it was going to do, and that's exactly what happened. You know, I've been dealing with this for a couple of years now, since 2012 to now. You learn a couple of things here or there. Getting a little bit of consolidation around here. Couple of dojis. If you guys want to share information and create a free account to use a chat room, traderscolony.com is again free chat room. There's no payment methods, nothing like that. You can get access to all free access to that chat room and all of the content you will see there. Again, that's traderscolony.com. Slowing down the momentum now. Momentum slowing down here. Expecting some follow-through move after this consolidation. Think we can test that 100 simple moving average on the 1 minute time frame. There is this pattern that is calling my attention here. See if we can break under that support. That trend line for that support, come right back down, setting up on that small flag. About to break that small flag on the 1 minute. Watching that flag formation on the 1 minute for some follow through move. The only green candle we have right now there on this, we have two green candles. One that seemed to want to print a bull flag formation on the 5. It didn't really happen. No follow through. Came right back down. Now we have this second candle. Think I had a breakout here, but I think they're just teasing people, shooting star formation on the 5, getting people to buy a breakout that is not going to happen. This is a classic bear trap. I can be wrong, but I think it's a classic bear trap here, making people buy the breakout. The breakout is not going to happen. There you go. There you go. Classic bear trap. Expecting to see some follow through. Expecting to see some follow through here. Just posted a link on YouTube. Those of you that want to get all access to all the information, and it's free. Content is free on traderscomedy.com, as well as the chat room is there. We live streaming on traderscomedy.com, and the chat room is there. It's free. You want to use that too? It's all greatly appreciated too. Expecting some follow through, watching the low of the prior hammer candle. $6.30. Shooting star formation of the 5-minute time frame. Clearly see that the volume has increased a lot. But it's been some very decent follow through on this name. Very decent follow through on this name. Printing a bear flag formation on the 5 minutes as of right now. Expecting follow through to the downside. Inverted hanging man on the 1. We've got a little less than 2 minutes to close on that 5-minute time frame candle. Printing a bear flag formation on the 5 minutes. We can clearly see the volume bars on the 5 minutes not being too long on the bullish side. So I really think that we will not hold this trend, and we're gonna roll over to the downside again. We see ACOR popping up, ACOR on the move, ACOR. We have a little less than a minute on that bear flag formation on TWMC. 5 minute time frame. About 20 seconds. Expecting the bear flag to print and how to break down some follow through. Flags are a type of a consolidation move before a follow through move in the direction continues on the original trend. I am expecting some follow through move to the downside. I can be wrong. I really think that VWAP is going to be resistance here. We got a crossover in the VWAP and the 50. I'm expecting this one to roll over, come right back down with a bear flag formation on the 5 minutes. Oh wow. See where this 5 minute candle is going to close. Then we're going to come right back down here. Got the view up in the 50 right there. And we have a shooting star formation hovering around the view app. Okay, here comes the reversal. Still have a shooting star on the 5 minutes. I really don't think we're gonna close on top of the view app, but then we're gonna just turn around, roll over, come right back down again. Finish printing that bear flag on the 5 minutes. AGTC is ramping up. AGTC is ramping up. You coming down here? Coming down here. Shooting star formation on the 5-minute time frame. Shooting star formation on the 5. Got about 10 seconds to close this candle here. Expecting a rollover. 750, $0.50. Okay, hovering around the view app. Taking a little longer than expected. That's making a comeback move. Printing a bull flag on the 15 minutes. I really don't think that we're gonna see this thing get on top of the view app and run to make new highs. That's my thoughts. I can be really wrong, but I think we will see this one roll over. Finally got 3 candles on that bounce. I think we're gonna come right back down, and we're gonna resume the downtrend. But it's true that the volume has increased a lot. Now it's just struggling to print those candles and to have a clear, concise move. I really believe we will see it come down, but it's surely taking more time to be able to print those candles. Below the 1 minute candle here. 705. Tapping 706. Tapping 706. 705. See if we can take down 705, 705, 703. Can take those down. $707. Between 705, 705 lower the prior candle. Guys, I'm gonna take a step back from the stream. I'm gonna keep you posted here. Keep dealing with this, managing this thing. 705, 706. Lower the prior candles. See a retest that area being 50. That 50 is showing that it's actually going to be that resistance. It's showing that curve now. If you look at here, this curve actually tapped this view app, and now it's rolling down again. So it shows that the 50 is going to be that resistance on the one. I really don't think that we're gonna see this thing trend higher, but that we're gonna come right back down, and there's a possibility that we can test that 100 simple moving average on the one. But I'm gonna keep you posted. I'll show you a little bit later what it did, and I'm gonna make the video recap in a little while. For now, I'm gonna cut the stream. I will see you guys in a little while, a little later, and I wish you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Happy trading, and